Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Let's Learn Easy English with me, Rehana Waisi. Today our speech topic is victory. What is victory? A success? No, it's an achievement of success in struggles against odds and difficulties. As an old saying, no victory without suffering. As this blessed and happy month for us, August, of course, I would like to talk about victory of our great leaders from which they gave us the precious gift of Pakistan. As everyone knows in the world that in past, Pakistan wasn't a separate Muslim state. India and Pakistan were together and called in Asia subcontinent into Pak, where Hindus and Muslim rulers ruled the different states of India. Then British Empire came and ruled over them. So the Hindus and Muslims joined together for the freedom war of subcontinent into Pak. But by the time Muslim leaders realized that Muslim needs a separate state where they could enjoy their faith, customs and rights freely. As Allama Muhammad Iqbal said first in his Allahabad address 1930, that India is a continent of different human groups belonging to different races, speaking languages and different religions. So the Muslim demands to create a Muslim India is in no way without justice. So I would like to go one step further. I would like to see Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Northwest Frontier Province united under a single Muslim state. However, the British and Hindus were strongly opposed of it. They never wanted Pakistan to be a separate Muslim state. But after Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Quaid-e-Azam with his loyal companion did work hard, and at last 23rd March 1940, Pakistan resolution passed, which was the pillar of Pakistan's creation. And on 14th August 1947, their victory announced on radio at 12 a.m. that Pakistan has appeared in the map of the world as separate Muslim state, and that was the victory which created the history against so many odds and difficulties. Their victory which celebrates every year on same date in Pakistan. May Allah bless their souls and give us leaders like we had in the past. Ameen. So that was my speech on victory, and I will end up my speech with this slogan, Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you so much for your attention and precious time. Thank you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like this presentation. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share and comment your thoughts. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.